White sky over the southern sea. Evening falling slow. Friday evening turning gold, blue sky fading into flame. Clouds begin to climb the horizon, like the weather knows our name. Down past Bastion Point, the tide rolls slow, light falling soft on the bay. Then a white ship cuts the waterline through the last of the day. She left Eden in the afternoon, engines humming deep and low, running south past Mallacoota, where the southern currents flow. Southbound past Gaybo, light burning in the setting sun, through the wind and restless ocean, where the southern waters run, carrying souls and stories through the evening tide, while the quiet coast of Mallacoota watches her slide by. Norwegian Spirit on the open sea, 13 decks above the foam, 2,000 travelers chasing horizons, 900 crew far from home. Cabin lights across the water glow against the falling night, a floating town of moving dreams, passing slowly out of sight. Bound for Burnie down in Tasmania, through Bass Strait shifting gray, while the coast stays dark behind her as the daylight fades away. Southbound past Gaybo, light through the fading sunset fire. Every mile that ship keeps moving, through the wind climbing higher, carrying laughter, hope and stories from 100 hearts inside, while the quiet coast of Mallacoota watches her slide by. Saturday rain across the inlet, gray sky heavy on the sea, wind through Banksia on the headland, where the breakers run free. Somewhere south that ship keeps moving, through the long Bass Strait swell, toward Burnie lights in Tasmania, where tomorrow's stories dwell. 2,000 souls behind those windows, moving through the restless night, dreams and journeys crossing oceans under distant harbor lights. Every voyage holds a story, every mile a life untold, while the southern coast stands patient, watching centuries unfold. Sunday morning, Becca River pressing hard against the sand, water rising through the lagoon, holding breath across the land. Rain keeps falling on the catchment, pressure building deep below. Soon the river cuts the shoreline, when the breaking waters flow. Nature holding quiet tension, where the river meets the sea. Every tide and drop of rainfall writing coastal history. Southbound past Gaybo, light through the wind and southern rain, while the river waits at Becca for its freedom once again. Ships keep sailing, people moving, stories carried far from shore, but the wild coast of Mallacoota will be standing evermore. Gray sky over fade slowly into home.